In today's class, we are going to learn about numbers from 1 to 9. We are going to do an activity today to learn about as many as. Let us hear the conversation of Beam and Warner. The cats are as many as mouses. The rabbits are as many as carrots. The next topic is about more or less. Beam and Warner went to a shop to buy bananas. Let us see their conversation to know who has more bananas and less bananas. Warner has more bananas. Beam has less bananas. Who has more bananas? Warner has more bananas. We have an interesting activity to find more or less. Can you tell me which side we have more flowers? On left side we have more flowers. Let's do next one. Which side we have more flower pots? On left side we have more flower pots. Now the last one. Can you tell me which side more birds are flying? On left side more birds are flying. Let us see a stage performance by Beam and Warner for counting of numbers. 1, 1, 1. We have one little ball to have fun. 2, 2, 2. We have two little catties to eat. 3, 3, 3. We have three little puppies to play with us. 4, 4. We have four wheels for a car. 5, 5, 5. We have five little fingers to hold chocolates. 6, 6, 6. We have six flowers to make garland. 7, 7, 7. We have seven colors in rainbow. 8, 8, 8. Spider has 8 legs. 9, 9, 9. Beam can eat 9 cupcakes at once. It's very nice poem with numbers from 1 to 9. Now, we'll do an exercise to count and match with dots. The first one has 3 dots and now we match with number 3. The second one has 2 dots and now we match with number 2. The third has 4 dots and now we match with number 4. The last one has 1 dot and now we match with number 1. As we have learned numbers from 1 to 9, let us do an activity to count and write the numbers. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cupcakes. The next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice creams. The last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 caps. Now, let us make a group of chocolates. How many chocolates are there? 4. Count and match with pictures. How many pencils are there? It's 1 pencil. How many plants are there? It's 2 plants. How many apples are there? It's 3 apples. The last one. How many ice creams are there? It's 4 ice creams. Beam and Warner are in space mission. to find the missing numbers. Let's find the missing numbers. Let us write the missing numbers, Vanu. Okay, B. Let's help our friends in finding the missing numbers. Which number is between 1 and 3? 2. Which number comes after 5? 6. Which number comes before 8? 7. Our last topic is about 0. Let us hear conversation between Beav and Vanu to learn about 0. 3 juicy mangoes kept in a basket, and if you eat one, how many will be left? 2 mangoes will be left. 2 juicy mangoes kept in a basket, and if you eat one, how many will be left? 1 mango will be left. 1 juicy mango kept in a basket, and if you eat one, how many will be left? 0 mangoes. Hey kids, we have completed chapter on numbers from 1 to 9. Let us learn about how to add numbers in the next class.